Hello everyone.
Hello.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Alwin Pello from LKBA class, and now I want to tell you about good communication. Okay, let's start. Knowing what is the mean by communication. Communication is the process of sending signal or message between sender and receiver via a variety of methods: writing, nonverbal cues, and verbal. Communication is also a mechanism that we use to build and modify relationships. First method, practice. Developing good communication skill begins with a simple interaction. Communication skills can be practiced on a daily basis both for social interaction to professional. The new capabilities takes time to be improved. However, every time you use your communication skill, then you will open yourself to opportunities and relationship in the future. Second method, engage opponent talk. Make eye contact whatever your position, either as a speaker or listener. Looking at the eyes of others who are you talking to make interaction more successful. Eye contact show interest and make the other person becomes interested also to the interact with you. One technique to help this is to view one of the listener and then switch to another currency. Look move from one eye to the other eye will make you look glowing. Another way is to think of the letter on the face of the listener with horizontal stripes along the brow and a vertical line through the center of the nose. Focus eyes to keep looking zone and do not send mixed message because synchronize between words, gesture, facial expression, and tone of voice. Punishing someone smiling sends mixed message and this action is not effective. If you are sending a negative message, signs words, facial expressions, and tone a voice with the message. And be careful with what is said by the body. Body language can speak much more than the words that come out of the mouth. An open attitude with a relaxed arm position implies that you are approachable and open to listen that to what other people say. Instead, arms folded and shoulders, hands show disinterest in the conversation or not willing to communicate. Communication can often be stopped with body language before starting. That indication that you do not want to talk. And show me the constructor attitude and confidence. The attitude then you show when communication will have a considerable influence on the way you organize yourself and interact with others. Be honest, patient, optimistic, sincere, appreciative, and accepting of others. Be sensitive to the feelings of others and trust in the abilities of others. Third method, use your words. Describe your work, speak clearly, and do not mumble. If people always ask you to repeat the words, try to train yourself to say the words clearly. Say the words clearly. People will judge your competency through the spoken vocabulary. If you are not sure to say a word, do not use that word. And slow way you talk. People will know you are anxious and insecure if you talk fast. But be careful, do not slow down speech at the point where people begin to finish your sentence, just to help you finish talking. And fourth method, use your voice. Develop your voice, high or shrill sound that is not regarded as an authority. In fact, high and soft sounds will make you express for aggrieve CO workers or make others people to not consider you seriously. Begin to practice lowering to the tone of voice. Try to sing your favorite songs but with a lower octave. Practice and after sometime the tone of your voice will start modestly. And tune your voice. Avoid monotone and use dynamic sound. Tone of voice should rise and fall periodically. Broadcaster is a good example of the affairs. And last, use a appropriate volume. Use the volume according to the situation. Talk to softer sounds when you are alone and are familiar with the speakers. And talk with a stronger voice when dealing with a number of interlocutors, large or are in a large room. Okay, I think enough. Thank you for your attention.